Setting up your Twilio account SID and Auth token is the first step to unlocking powerful communication tools. Whether you're building SMS alerts, voice apps, or automation workflows. In 2025, Twilio's dashboard makes it easier than ever to generate these credentials securely. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create your Twilio account SID and Auth token step by step, so you can start integrating Twilio into your projects with confidence. First is go to the console, Twilio.com, and log in. If you are in the dashboard, find the account panel in the center there. You'll see your account SID and your Auth token. Select the show option to see the password and make sure to hide that to everyone like your password. And that's all you need to create your Twilio account SID and Auth token in 2025. With these credentials set up, you're ready to connect your apps, send messages, and explore everything Twilio has to offer. If this guide helped you get started, feel free to check out our other 2025 tech and developer tutorials to keep your builds running smoothly and securely.